y'all, welcome back to my channel, Tia Shantia, and I am here with some products. Y'all, I am a part of the Total Life Changes crew. I am a distributor. I now have CBD products for sale, so the link will be in my description box below. Also, follow my journey on Instagram at _Tierrabossy, TIERRABOSSY. Also, link in my description box. But I just want to let you know that I've been using these products for 9 days, and I just made my purchase to become a distributor on Saturday. I think I was up Friday night from like 10 to 12:30, 1 o'clock a.m. on the website, and I knew who my coach was gonna be. I've been following her for like 2-3 weeks. I've been at this for like 2 months. I started looking for coaches, you know, just to see who would be the best fit, who I really believe what they were saying. They were motivating me to want to make changes in my life. I eat pretty healthy, but then I have those days I want to eat ice cream. But I love salads anyway. I'm not more than my husband, but I do love salads. And I just wanted somebody to help motivate me. Although I don't have anyone physically around me to help me, I wanted to find someone that I knew if I reached out to, if I was in a crisis, if I had questions, they were there, and I picked that person. I'll make sure I dedicate a video to her a little bit later. But I decided to make my purchase, and I got the Nutra and I got the CBD tea in raspberry, which is a newer flavor. I haven't had the original, but that will be coming this week. I made a second purchase or a second order. So if you have been interested in trying these products and you're like, I don't believe these people, if you know me, then you click on my link and you order from me, your girl, Tia Shantia, Tia Bossy, me, Tia Love. But yeah, so the Nutra. Drea even drinks this. It's good for the entire family. Do you hear me? If you want specifics and details about this, then make sure you click the link in my description box. You will go straight to the site. It will tell you all the ingredients. It will tell you what this is for. But I drink my Nutra for my liquid vitamin. This is what this is. It's vitamin in a bottle. It's easy. You keep it in the refrigerator. You twist the top. You can take a half or a full cup, a half or a full shot of this, and you're good to go. I drink it in the morning. I drink it at night if I'm up late, if I want to be refreshed. Y'all, like I said, Drea drinks it. She has to. She goes to daycare. We don't need those germs. We don't need those troubles. But I freaking love this. And I still have half a bottle. And like I said, Drea and I both drink this, but I have some more coming. So yeah, if you want to try the Nutra, y'all make sure you click the link in my bio. So the CBD instant tea, 0.0% THC. It's in the raspberry flavor. I drink this in the morning on the weekends and in the afternoon 30 minutes before I eat my dinner. If I drink my tea 30 minutes before my dinner, when I wake up in the morning between 5:30, 6 o'clock, I'm using the bathroom. That's what it's for. It's a detox tea. It's cleansing your body of all the toxins. Everything you had that was bad the day before is gonna come out. So on the weekends, like Saturday, Sunday, of course, I can drink it early in the morning because I'm pretty much going to be at home or I'm going to be accessible to a comfortable bathroom. I do not want to be at work when there's 2 stalls in the whole bathroom and I have to share with all the ladies on the hall. I'm not trying to be in the bathroom like that. But on the weekends, I do drink it in the morning time. And I'm just going to show you what it looks like. This is what the pack look like. So all you do is tear it, pour it in an 8-ounce bottle of water or cup of water, stir it around or shake it up if it's in a bottle, and you drink it cold. If you have a 16.9-ounce bottle of water, you're going to use 2. So I don't have a lot of the miniature bottle water. So what I do is I take the 16.9 bottle and I drink as much out of it as I can, and I'll leave like half a bottle and then I'll just use one. I don't use two, but you can, and that'll make it taste a little bit better. So y'all, I just want to come to you right quick to let you know I am a total life changer. I am a distributor. I have my own link. You can click the link in the description box if you want to support, if you want to try, if you're interested, if you're curious. You can also order samples. You can order free samples, y'all. Click the link in my bio. Support your girl. Get on this journey because health is wealth. Also, if you want to make money out of providing these products to your friends, to your families, to people that look up to you, if you're an influencer and you want to be a distributor, then click the link in my bio. All you have to do is click join my team and you can make money like your girl. So as always, thanks for watching. Bye y'all.